guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something new for myself. I woke up a little later today. I only have one class at like 12:45, so I figured I'd film a look before school and do something together with you because this is my first attempt at a halo eye. I've never done it. I'm not really that good at it. I think it looks okay, so I just figured I'd go with it. Kind of wanted to review or just like talk about this palette. It's new. It's from Shop Hush, like the same as my other video. I got it there. It's a really good dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. The colors are amazing. Obviously you can see I use it. This palette, by the way, it was only like $10 or $12, I can't remember, but it was super affordable, obviously compared to the name brand, so I figured I'd go with this. I don't have the real one, but I'm sure, again, it's better than this one, but who knows, I don't know, so I'm gonna stick with this one. But it's super pigmented, super nice, blends well, and all that, and it's just super nice packaging. So I figured I'd just try that out for the first time. Try out this halo eye. I did more like a brown, kind of dark, smoky look, I guess you could say. If you want to get this look, you can keep on watching. So as I mentioned in the beginning, we're going to start off with the Aura palette from Shop Hush. And we're going to go in with Awakening, which is a light orange, and put that all over the crease as a nice transition shade. Then I'm going to go in with a dark brown, which could be called Vibe, and put that also in the crease, but also in the outer corner and inner corner, just to start off that smoky halo. Then I'm going to take a brush and concealer and start off with a nice splash on the water eyeliner part, because this way when I look up I can see where my crease would be, like where my hooded eyes would go, and I will bring that down to start the halo part. Then I'm going to go in with a gold and a bronze shimmer, which would be Soul and Manifest, and put that right on the concealer to give it some pop. And I know it looks really funny and I look like a clown almost, but as long as you blend it out with and go back in with the brown and the orange, it should look pretty normal. A halo eye is all about just blending. I dropped my mirror, so that was the dramatic part there. Then I'm just going to go in with my Better Than Sex mascara and put that on my eyelashes to give my lashes a nice base. Then I'm going to go in with my new lashes from Lashing Me Up Cosmetics. They're on Instagram, and I'm going to use Big Spender. And voila, this is the look with the lashes. Then I'm going to go in with my brow definer from Maybelline, which is in the Total Temptations line, which I think is pretty new. And I really like this brow definer because it works the same as Benefit's brow definer. It's just as creamy, it's not hard. The only thing I really don't like is this spoolie. It looks like a small pine cone and it doesn't really do much. And this is the final look. A nice brown smoky eye with the halo. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this look. Thank you for getting ready with me. And I hope to see you all in my next video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.